Which of the following will not have open structure? A. A46K5B17, B. C600K8B17, C. C8K 5th September 2017, D. A80K10B17. The correct answer is A46K5B17. A grinding wheel is specified as A5K5R17. Which of the following is correct about this grinding wheel? A. Very fine grains, B. Open structure, C. Aluminum oxide abrasive, D. Coarse grain. The correct answer is aluminum oxide abrasive. Which of the following grinding wheel specified in ISO designation will represent resin bond? A. Z46K5B17, B. C600K5B17, C. C8K5R17, D. A80K5B17. The correct answer is C600K5B17. Which of the following has open structure? A. A46K5B17, B. C600K8B17, C. C8K 5th March 2017, D. A80K4B17. The correct answer is C600K8B17. A grinding wheel is specified as A8K5B17. Which of the following is correct about this grinding wheel? A. Very fine grains, B. Open structure, C. Rubber bond, D. Coarse grain. The correct answer is coarse grain. Which of the following has the highest joining efficiency? A. Acetylene flame welding, B. TIG welding, C. Electron beam welding, D. Laser welding. The correct answer is electron beam welding. Grinding wheel specified as A8K5B17 in ISO designation. What is the type of bond present in grinding wheel? A. Vitrified, B. Rubber, C. Shellac, D. Epoxy. The correct answer is epoxy. Friability of grinding wheel is associated to A. Hardness, B. Fracture, C. Size, D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is fracture. Flow structures can directly affect the A. Laser wave formation, B. Frozen bead, C. Weld puddle, D. Porosity. The correct answer is frozen bead. With time, grinding wheel starts rubbing workpiece instead of cutting due to a decrease in sharpness. This phenomenon is known as A. Loading, B. Glazing, C. Dressing, D. Truing. The correct answer is glazing. During laser welding, any hump on the surface can cause A. Increase in weld porosity, B. Flow instability, C. Higher energy absorption, D. Decrease in the weld thickness. The correct answer is higher energy absorption. Loss in the sharpness of grinding wheel due to the presence of chips in gaps of grains is termed as A. Loading, B. Glazing, C. Dressing, D. Truing. The correct answer is loading. A grinding wheel is specified as C10K8R17. Which of the following is correct about this grinding wheel? A. Very fine grains, B. Open structure, C. Aluminum oxide abrasive, D. Coarse grain. The correct answer is open structure. In keyhole mode of laser welding, the keyhole behaves like A. Optical black body, B. An energy reflector, C. An energy amplifier, D. A shielding. The correct answer is optical black body. In keyhole mode of laser welding, hole is stabilized by the A. Weld puddle, B. Shielding gases, C. Pressure of the vapour, D. Laser beam. The correct answer is pressure of the vapour. Grinding wheel specified as C8K5R17 in ISO designation. What is the type of bond present in grinding wheel? A. Vitrified. B. Rubber. C. Shellac. D. Epoxy. The correct answer is rubber. A grinding wheel is specified as C5K5R17. Which of the following is correct about this grinding wheel? A. Very fine grains. B. Open structure. C. Rubber bond. D. Coarse grain. The correct answer is rubber bond. Which of the following grinding wheel specified in ISO designation will represent shellac bond? A. Z46K5B17. B. C600K5B17. C. C8K5R17. D. A80K5B17. The correct answer is Z46K5B17.